Today we are going to start our new unit, intraocular lenses. As I have already told, you have to remember all the glossary definitions. Monovision has already come as a previous MCQ. Introduction is not very much important. Just give a page point. Lens design is more important factor in PCO than in the lens material. Remember this, please. Just give a quick read to this. Remember here, intralenticular fibrosis may occur after the placement of a piggyback lens arrangement. Okay, not very important topic. Just a quick read. Not important. Yes, this is very important. Axial length, very important. Okay, axial length is more important for short eyes than in the long eyes. Ultrasonic measurement, very important. Remember the role of silicone oil. Remember that the least degree of error is associated with use of very thin bipolar lens, and the greatest amount of error is associated with use of thick hyperopic lens, hyperopic silicone lens. Optical measurement, ultrasound measurement was previous, and this is the optical measurement of the axial length. Remember this. It uses the partial coherence laser. Remember that partial coherence, not coherence, partial coherence. Eyes with staphyloма behaves how and eyes with the silicone. Uh, will create also a quick read to the effective length position. Here is the point for plus power IOLs. The induced astigmatism will be of with the roll in the case of the tilted about the horizontal axis and against the roll. Okay, remember this. This is very important. IOL power adjustment for the surface placement. Only the table is important. This formula choice is not very much important. You can leave it. Instrumental error after the cornea surface surgery. Quick read. Not very much good. This is important. Okay. Because I have already told important. Pediatric eye is not important. Only a read. Image magnification is very. Image magnification by aphakic spectacle 25 to 30, 35. These values has come in the exam. Each and every line here is an MCQ. Please read. Each and every line is an MCQ. And Asaponia is very important. I cannot tell all the MCQs because the videos will be very lengthy, but each and every line is important here. And Asaponia has come 2 times. This magnification has come 2 times. Course to this topic. A quick read. Multifocal intraocular lenses. Only a read will be enough. In which conditions the multifocal intraocular lenses are not suitable? Read here. Only a read will be enough. There are diffractive multifocal and refractive multifocal. Diffractive are more good because they are less people dependent. The advantages of this optical strategy is that it is far less people dependent than purely refractive designs. Put this way. Again mentioned here which patients are not suitable for multifocals. Contraindications. You can leave this topic. You can leave this exercise.